So today we're going to be doing a oil change on a 2001 Ranger 3-liter V6. You're going to need some 5W20, roughly 4.5 to 5.5 quarts. Your oil filter, mine's a Motorcraft FL 400S. Oil filter wrench, and you're going to need a 5/8 socket. Alright, if you come down to the driver's side of the Ranger, you look right there. There's your oil drain bolt. And if you look up there is your filter. We don't want no spills. Oh, wow, that's a big spill. Whenever it's done draining, you want to take the oil drain plug, wipe it off a little bit in case something got on there. You really should replace the washer with the copper one, a brand new one, but I don't got any, so it's gonna have to do. Give her one more wipe down. You want to grab your socket, and you really want to snug this, but I don't like snugging it with oil already dripping out. I don't know, me personally, I think it creates a bad seal. Looks to me like it's still dripping. I recommend taking some brake parts cleaner, whatever, spraying it down a little bit. Make sure everything's clean, so you can notice if you got any leaks or anything like that in the future. And then I'm going to move the drain pan, and I'm going to snug it down. That should be good. Clean up any spillage. So once you get your drain bolt tight, right up there is the oil filter. Now it's time to get that one.